Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching Fortnite and going straight to Settings. Don't linger in menus. Once in Settings, navigate to Gameplay and Audio so you can change idle-related options. Make sure you also open your platform's power settings, PC, PlayStation, or Xbox, because you will disable automatic sleep there. Prepare any controller or mouse you use. You'll test changes immediately. This gets everything ready so you can change both the game and system behavior without interrupting a session, which prevents accidental sleep. Now you change the core settings that trigger sleep. In Fortnite, turn off any idle, squad inactivity, or auto-pause features. These stop the game from hiding activity. Then go to Windows Power Options or your console's power menu and set sleep to never or a much longer timeout so the system won't suspend mid-match. Also disable controller power saving or set it to the longest interval because controllers can signal inactivity. Once done, test by staying in the lobby to confirm nothing sleeps after a short idle. Finish by restarting Fortnite and your device so all changes take effect. Then join a match or idle in the lobby to verify no sleep occurs. If the system still goes to sleep, use a minimal, safe activity like a mouse jiggle utility or a brief macro to maintain activity, but use this sparingly and within platform rules. If the problem persists, update device drivers and controller firmware and make sure background software isn't forcing power saving. If nothing helps, contact Epic or console support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.